वैसे हमजा कहाँ है?
एब्राकैडाब्रा, हमजा आ गया। हमजा का नाम लिया, हमजा आ गया। मैजिक करने वापस।
फिर से मैजिक करो।
मैजिक लेवल 3.2।
ओके, तो अब ये हम
अगेन मैजिक ड्रॉर।
मैजिक ड्रॉर खोलेगा अपने
फर्स्ट मैजिक ट्रिक, got this right here.
right here.
Okay, I'm gonna open this one and I'm gonna make it disappear.
Okay. Let's see his magic wand.
1, 2, 3. Disappear.
This was not a.
You can use the second one.
No, I didn't want. So first magic trick is the right, and I gave it 0 marks because he just eat the cookie. So we end up.
Good progress up to our start, but
Okay. Some scrim. Okay, we have one pencil.
and
That
I'm
is
gonna
not sharpened.
shop it, make it silver, and make it smaller. Oh, bro.
Okay. Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. It is sharpened and it is silver.
Should I bring it back? And
Yes.
should I multiply it, or this will be right here and I will bring it back?
What? Okay. Okay, we will see and see who will win.
Yeah. Yikes.
You think I'm so dumb?
Yikes. Yep.
It was in his hand.
Nope. Psych.
So where was it?
It was in my head.
Oh.
I put it in my head so it could be stored and you will not see it.
Okay. So I give it 5 out of 10.
What the?
Okay, next
Okay.
magic trick. Let's see what is the next. What is the next? What is the next? A cup and a.
I personally
What?
didn't thought of this magic trick, but if Anna give me the 5, it has to be done. Okay, it didn't work.
Oh, you opened the drawer. What are you doing?
Okay, this magic trick was not in.
Okay, you are like kidding us. Okay, we
Got
have a car key.
Got the silver one, right? This is silver.
These are silvers. Yeah, silver.
I'll make it golden.
Okay.
Abracadabra. Golden.
Okay, so let me see. Okay, it is golden.
And now
I
I'll start
don't believe.
Okay. He's getting all my magic tricks, bro.
There was one silver key and one golden key, and Hamza was
This one is
taking
the
us.
last one.
Okay. Okay, that will be here. Tick. No, I think this is Oh, what are you making?
Guess it.
Oh, shark.
No.
A hoverboard.
No.
It just looks like a fish or shark. On the other side. Oh, it's like an airplane.
Yeah, it is.
It is an airplane, but what about the magic?
This is the magic, bro. This is the magic.
This what kind of magic?
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh. He thinks I am very small. And I give him 10 out of 10. 0 out of 10. Okay, we have a silver. Oh, let me show the friends. Silver stick made of.
Funny. It is funny.
Okay, we have a silver stick that is made up of metal and it is heavy. So what are you gonna do with this?
I'm gonna make it disappear. Easy peasy.
Okay, he always make things disappear.
Abracadabra. Gele gele pele pele shiki. Mele 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 kele tele pele choo.
Wait. Oh, let me see his drawer. The last time he put it in his drawer, so I think he
Got a duplicate right here.
Oh, this is duplicate.
Yep, it is.
Okay, I didn't believe on him. Is it a duplicate? Okay, we will see. We will see. Nothing in his drawer. Nothing down. Okay. Let's. Okay, tell us. I bet. Hamza just put it in his drawer and he's saying I just did disappear. But now he's saying it is a duplicate. So let's see.
Really? You really thought that was going to happen? You really thought that was going
Oh,
to happen? You really thought that was going to happen? You literally thought that was going to happen? It was a duplicate, I told you.
Oh, I didn't believe on him. They are duplicated two metal sticks. Just listen the sound. Okay, we will put this.
Guys, look at my hands right here.
We have some glitter type thing.
Okay. Okay, so
Okay.
I am gonna make this cup a
Disappear.
coin.
He gonna turn this cup into a coin.
Yeah.
Okay, we will see this. This is a disposable cup, and let's see what will he do with this.
Okay, wait a second. It has to take a while because it's to make a coin, bro.
Okay.
Okay, now it's gonna work. Abracadabra, gilly gilly pili 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 coin.
Wait a second. Let's
Coin.
see. This is the coin. You can see, guys. I'm a bit of shock. Is it in the drawer?
No,
it
it's
is
not.
In the My Magic drawer? No.
No, Anna only has one magic thing.
Okay, let's see his arms.
Check him.
Wait
Check
a
him.
second. How will he put a cup into his arm?
Yeah, it will just basically be possible to find it.
Okay, I'll give greatest. Okay,
bring it
8 out of 10.
Should I bring it back?
Yep. Oh, bombastic!
Bombastic? What?
We find the cup back. Okay. So next magic tricks. Have you finished yours? Magic.
No.
No, they are left. Oh my god, there are too many magic tricks.
I can make another of those things.
Okay, these are 2 and 1 more he is having. What happened?
I literally multiplied them. I just have to look at both of them at the same time and I literally multiplied them. Literally, I'm not kidding.
Oh, wow, just pretty. You know, you watch this viral video on any YouTube or any application. It was like so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. Just looking like a wow.
Don't irritate me, bro.
All people are watching. Then we scroll and think, okay, next magic trick.
Just take, I'll turn it into a spoon.
Ice cream stick.
Turn it into a spoon.
Turn it into a spoon.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, pili pili pili, dunia ko hila dega hum.
We have are having our spoon. Let's see. Get aside. Let's see in the drawers. No. Okay. So this was your last magic trick.
No, I can teleport. I will teleport. Then it's my last magic trick.
Okay, teleport.
1, 2, 3. Wait, my pause. Pause the video. Yo, I can teleport.
So Hamza is saying he gonna be teleported into a place.
I will teleport in 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh my God! Hamza just was here, and he teleported to there.
Okay, I will just walk there now.
No, okay. It was the last or no?
No, but rate it.
Okay, it was a 10 out of 9 because I was really shocked. It's just
How is it a 9?
9. Is that good? Not good. Okay. So Hamza is opening his drawer and taking out
Whoa. Okay.
these are the pens.
We don't need pens. I was just kidding. This eraser.
Okay, we have an eraser.
We need the cup.
Need a cup.
I will put it in here and it will be disappeared. So, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
It's not in here. Boom, bam, boom.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Don't tell me you disappeared in real.
Yep, I did.
Oh.
My magic tricks are real, bro.
Okay, I rated it 10 out of 10 because it was very the razor is bad. Okay, now I think this was your last.
So what? How much would you rate all of the magic trick mix?
I think so. Out of 100, I will give 50.
What do you mean, bro?
Some were like dumb, weird.
Yep, somewhere. I literally multiplied this one.
Okay.
Now, can you do a magic trick?
Tell us in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Like and subscribe our channel.
Till then,
But you have to like and subscribe before this stick breaks. From here.
1, 2, 3.
Bro.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yoink. Psych. I won. Where did Nana go? I'm getting pretty hungry. Again, Okay. Now. Hey, did you turn off the recording?